Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background for product photos with AI tool in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using objects selection tool, inverting of layers, using generative fill, and typing specific prompt for generating image. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here this perfume as our product, and you will notice here that it's just have a really simple background on it. And our goal here is to give an enhanced background to it to make it more attractive. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to unlock the background layer. So going on to the layers panel, from this background layer, at first you will notice here that this layer is locked. And if it's locked, well, you cannot rescale or reposition this layer. All right, so I'm going to click this one to unlock it. There you go. Now it's no longer locked. Now I'm going to rescale this layer. So press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command, and then I'm going to drag these points in for us to decrease the size or rescale the image. Something like that. Then hit on enter. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to make a selection on the product itself with the use of the object selection tool. Going on to the toolbar, let's find the object selection tool. It shows this icon. Click that. Now, for the mode, I'm going to set this one to rectangle. All right, for us to instantly create a selection. So to use this one, all I have to do is to click and drag and put the product inside this square. There you go. Then release it. Once I did that, it automatically create a selection of this perfume. All right, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to expand the selection. So with this selection, going on to the menu bar, go to select, then choose on modify, choose on expand it by just 10, then hit OK or enter. All right, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to invert the layer. So to do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Now the product is no longer selected, but the outside part. All right, now going on to the contextual taskbar. Well, if you can't locate that, go to the menu bar, go to window. You're going to find there the contextual taskbar. All right, then go to the contextual taskbar with the inverted selection. Click on generative fill. Then for the prompt, you need to be specific for us to create this attractive background of it. So I'm gonna write down here something like laying on pink rose petals with moisture. Then let's write down strong shadow, strong highlights. Let's add a reflection. Right? If there's still prompt that you want to add, just add it on this. Now, once you're good with it, now let's click on generate. Once done generating, it already provides us this first variation. Well, look at this one. This one seems perfect because just what I've said, product is lying on the pink roses petal. And there you have it. Okay. Well, it has a strong shadow. That's great. Now let's go and check on the other variation. The best second variation, right? This one look well. Look at the shadow here. That's totally perfect. Third one, well, this one is fine too because it has moisture on the petals. See? All right, but I don't like this part. All right, so that looks terrible. I already made up my mind. I'll be choosing the first variation. All right, and that's it. Let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to add background for product photos with AI tool in Photoshop.